In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Telegram downloaded files on phone. If you've ever saved a document, photo, or video in Telegram and then couldn't find it later, this walkthrough will clear that up. We'll use your phone's built-in file manager to locate Telegram's folders, and I'll also show you how to make photos and videos appear in your native Photos or Gallery app for easier viewing. Start by opening your phone's Files or My Files app. This is the system file manager that lets you browse folders on your device. If you don't see it on your home screen, swipe up and search for Files, My Files, or File Manager. Once you're in, you'll see options like internal storage or SD card. Choose internal storage since that's where Telegram typically keeps your downloads unless you've specifically set it to an SD card. Next, open the Downloads folder. Many Telegram items, especially when you choose to download or share to device, can land here. Inside Downloads, look for a folder named Telegram. Open it, and you should find subfolders such as Telegram Images, Telegram Video, Telegram Audio, or Telegram Documents, depending on what you've saved. This is a quick way to grab files you want to move, share, or back up. If you don't see a Telegram folder in Downloads, there's another common location used by newer versions of Android. Go back to internal storage, then open Android, then Media, then org.telegram.messenger, and finally the Telegram folder. This path is part of Android's scoped storage, which helps apps store their media in a dedicated place. Inside, you'll find neatly organized folders for documents, images, audio, and video. If the media folder doesn't appear at first, make sure you're in internal storage, not SD, and wait a moment for the file manager to load. Avoid deleting or moving files you're not sure about in this area, as apps expect certain folders to exist. To make photos and videos from Telegram show up in your phone's native Photos or Gallery app, open the Telegram app, tap the three dots on the photo or video you want, and choose Save to Gallery. This places a copy where your gallery can scan it automatically, so it appears alongside your other camera and downloaded media. If a file doesn't show up immediately, give the gallery a moment to refresh. That's it. Open Files or My Files, go to internal storage, check Downloads for a Telegram folder, or use the Android Media org.telegram.messenger, Telegram path. And for easy viewing, save important media to your gallery right from Telegram.